That 2014 Fiat 500 that I showed you the multi-air filter, and the customer stated that it was running like doo-doo. Well, it just so happened to be this thing. Short story is, it's the multi-air VVT solenoid pack, which has lifters on the bottom. These lifters push down on the valves on the cylinder head. Well, cylinder 4's solenoid took a crack. You can't just replace the one solenoid. You have to replace this whole thing. So we ended up installing another one. And it's a used one because the customer couldn't afford to get a new one because it's fairly expensive. They're okay with the used one because they know the precautions. But the big thing with installing one of these is you got to make sure you purge all the air out of it. Otherwise, you'll have zero compression. Pretty much you got to crank and crank and crank and crank till you get oil flowing down through each one. And even after that, keep cranking. Now that we have compression back in all 4 cylinders, I'm going to get this thing back together.